Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious one-pan shrimp and asparagus recipe. This is one of my favorite easy meals to make for dinner. You only need a few simple ingredients and it's packed with so much flavor. Let's get started. We're using jumbo shrimp for this recipe. We're going to start by seasoning the shrimp with some smoked paprika, chili powder, ground cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and freshly cracked black pepper. Go ahead and mix everything together very well. Once everything is mixed in, we're going to sear the shrimp. Drizzle some oil into a skillet over medium-high heat. Add some butter and let the butter melt into the oil. Next, toss in the shrimp. Make sure you space out the shrimp and don't overcrowd your pan. You can cook the shrimp in 2 batches. We're cooking the shrimp for 2 or 3 minutes on one side, then turning them over and cooking them for another 2 or 3 minutes on the other side. Once cooked, take the shrimp out of the pan and set them aside for later. Clean out any burnt bits in the pan. Melt some more butter in the pan, then add some chicken broth. Stir everything together to deglaze the pan. Then add your favorite hot sauce, sweet chili paste, and some lemon juice. Mix everything together. Then as soon as the sauce comes to a simmer, we're going to add some asparagus. Toss the asparagus in with the sauce and cook them for about 5 minutes until they soften. Make sure you've turned your heat to low and keep the pan covered while the asparagus cooks. Once the asparagus have finished cooking, coat them in the sauce, then toss them to the side. Add the cooked shrimp. Then we're going to finish this off with a drizzle of fresh lemon juice and a sprinkle of freshly chopped parsley. Turn off your heat and allow the heat from the pan to warm up the shrimp. As soon as the shrimp is heated through, this delicious one-pan meal is ready to be enjoyed. The shrimp and asparagus are so flavorful, they pair so well together. This is best served with some sautéed rice, so make sure you have some rice available. You can also serve this over some mashed potatoes. This is such a quick, easy, delicious meal to make on a busy day. The shrimp came out so tender and juicy and they pair so well with the asparagus and rice. If you guys would like to make this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.